Hmm. So for some reason, I thought I had gone live, but turns out I hadn't. So I've been talking for like just about 5 minutes, only to realize that I haven't. I'm not live. Let me just check that I am actually live. Well, you guys don't need to see that. Not because I've got thousands of viewers, but because I'm trying to record this so that, I don't have to, I have proof that at least I'm doing something. Feel me? Can't tell I've been watching too much American TV. I don't know why on my own channel doesn't like immediately show if I'm live, and I have to go and figure it out. Yeah, so I had gone live, and then after 11 seconds it died. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have to delete that last video. But either way, so step 10 we done yesterday, which was just preventing the default function of the submit event with this e.prevent default. And now we're using the find index array method to determine if the task that is sort of currently being edited is indeed the current task, or if it's or if it doesn't exist in the or if it exists already. And if it exists already, then we update. If it doesn't, then we add. Now find index will take an element, or it will take a sort of a testing function that implicitly returns, and if that's true, then it returns index. If it's not true, then it returns -1. So this is our testing function, which is that we take an item, which item is an element of that array. We check the element ID and see if it's strictly equal to the ID of the current task. So that's what we've been doing thus far. Now retrieve the values from the input fields and store them in a task object. I don't think we have this. Yeah, I don't think we have this. So let's create our task object. Oh snap. Oh snap. Okay. Alright, so our ID property is the value of the title input field. How have we got? We've got title input field. Cool. So we need this to be a string. So we're gonna say so I'm gonna say title input value. Convert to lowercase. I'm just gonna stick JS at the end of that. Okay, cool. What I wanted to check was that two lowercase one exists, because I remember it. I don't remember using it. And that it doesn't, it's non-destructive, so it doesn't change the original string. Now I also need to split, which JavaScript split. Um, okay. Okay, so I want to split based off of that. Then I want to join with a hyphen. Oh, but I still want it to go to lowercase. So I want the ID to be title value to lowercase, split by the words, and joined together as a. That's not gonna work. So I can't chain these together like this. Oh wait. Lowercase doesn't take anything, does it? Yeah, no. I can't. Why would I do that though? If I put that there, that makes everything else. Yeah, so everything needs to be in here. Okay, what's the console saying? Nothing much. Yeah, but that's what I'm doing, right? That is literally what I'm doing. And it can't be that they want me to use the single stuff. Let's see what help is out there. Okay, yeah. Why does he have 3 backticks here? I don't understand. No, I've got backticks here. I'm ready to work with backticks. This is not making sense to me one bit. Because I am using backticks here. I'm grabbing the title input value. I'm pushing that to lowercase. I'm splitting it for words, but then I'm rejoining it here. I don't understand. Let me bring up the guy's help again. This doesn't make sense. I'm going to reset. So, we've got a new object, cont task object, right? We're saying this is an object, cool. Within that object, our first property is ID. No, couldn't be it. Anyway, for our ID, we've got two backticks here, and we want to grab the value of title input value. We want to push that to lowercase. Then we want to split that for words. So split for word, we are splitting it. If we split for nothing, then we're splitting characters. But if we split for space, I'm going to copy this. We're splitting it for words. And once we split everything, we want to join with a hyphen. Wait. Did I have... I think I had a space. I think I had a space. I think I had a space. Okay, I think I had a space in there, that's why. Anyway, so now they want us to use date now. Cool. So in order to get our IDs, we are going to use the date now function, which goes from 1970 number of milliseconds. Oh, that's how it works. Okay. We're going to hyphenate that with the title of the ID. So I think that should work. Yeah. This is ridiculous, man. I think there must have been something there. Oh, I think I got a call. Where is WhatsApp going to pop up? Here. Sorry, I can see I got a call here. Trying to make sure that, someone ain't trying to get your boy. I'm having to check because my phone is on silent after 10:30. So, cool. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we're getting title, dates, description. Okay, so part of our task object, cool. We have a title, which is title input dot value. We then no, because I don't need this to be a string. Yeah. Cool. We have date input dot value. Then we have description, which is description input dot value, and I've got that because that should be a comma. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna stop here. 10 to 15 or 10 to 14 is what I was able to do because I'm tired and I'm making some silly mistakes and I wasted too many minutes on that step. But this is good. Guys, look, whenever you guys watch this, whoever watches this, whenever you do, I hope that you don't stop turning up. I left this one late, but coming here, doing it, and the thing is, I don't know if this is worth anything to anyone, but it's worth me saying, even if I have to go over this, and I want to remind myself, like coming in, some days I'm not confident that I'll get it because I still don't know all of this, and there's sometimes a feeling of like, am I going to come in here and like waste time on one step? But I think it's realizing that that's worth it. Yeah, I come here and I spend all, 20, 25, 18 minutes. I spend 18 minutes at least on one step and I don't even get the step done. I've showed up for the day. And it's that incremental like step every single day that's going to add up. That's going to make a difference. I am much more confident doing this the past 50 days, 40 days, I think 40 days maybe, than I have been, even following the 6-week bootcamp course that I did, in JavaScript. So yeah, and then I'm understanding things. I was saying I never really understood what return was, never really understood like the difference between const and lets. I understood it, but not experientially, not having used it. And doing this, like I'm much more confident. So keep showing up, whatever it is you're trying to do. It's consistency. Consistency is king. Consistency is key.